Okay, this is a quick video on why calipers are the most versatile measuring instrument you can have around your house. Surely you've seen these before. This is just a cheap set that I actually regret buying because it does not read as accurately as I would like it to, but for $13 it's kind of hard to go wrong. They're nowhere near as nice as the set of Mitutoyos that I have at work. There's many different kinds of calipers. These, as you can see, are digital. They have dial calipers, vernier calipers, which is a skill to read unto itself. But for most people, this is probably what they're familiar with. There's a ton of different ways that you can use these things to measure all kinds of stuff. You wouldn't think you would be able to as accurately any other way. Most people know that you can open the jaws here and close them. We can see that this block in width is 0.62 inches, which is probably meant to be 0.625 or 5/8, I think that is. Obviously they open up wider, 2.36 inches in width. You can get all the measurements you need to make a good approximation of how large this rectangle is. You can also do diameters. You can do inside diameters with this set of jaws here. See that that's 0.55 inches. It's a 1/2 inch nut. So yeah, these don't read as accurately as I would have hoped for. But all you gotta do is put those two guys in there, open it up, there's your measurement. One that people don't often think of is using them as a height gauge. And obviously this isn't a solid surface, but you can see there that we got 0.64, which is really stinking close to what we measured with the set of jaws here. And the way that this works is this side here goes on the base, and then you just press this side down here onto the top of your object. Let's look at it from behind. We can see 0.63. Originally we measured 0.625. I think it's rounding up. Yeah, 0.61, 0.62. So yeah, height gauge, or a rough approximation of one. We can also use them to measure the differences between two materials. So you could say this is 0.61. We can zero it here. Let's use the nut. So the difference in size between this nut and this block is 0.3. So to sum this up real quick, you can use them to measure thicknesses, widths, lengths, heights. Oh, that was a little off. Heights. Interior diameters. Exterior diameters. And also to convert these from standard to metric and back quick and easy without having to do any additional math. So that's why calipers are a nice little measuring tool to have around the house. If you like these quick, dirty, no-nonsense kind of instructional videos, please go ahead and subscribe. I get a lot of satisfaction from watching those subscription numbers go up. There will be more in the future, preferably and hopefully with more production quality. We're working on finding out how to make videos still, but we're going to get there. Have no fear.